वेलकम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इन क्वेश्चंस के अलावा जो कि मैं वीडियोस बना के लगा रहा हूँ, अगर आपको कोई और भी किसी और एक्सरसाइज से कोई और चैप्टर से कोई क्वेश्चन आपने समझना है, पूछना है, तो आप मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि प्रायोरिटी पे आपके जो बताए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं वो उसकी वीडियो बना के मैं अपलोड कर दूँ। टुडे वी डिस्कस क्लास 10th chapter 3 exercise 3.4 and question 2, in which we use theorem componendo and dividendo. The question 2 part first is find the value of x plus 2y over x minus 2y plus x plus 2z over x minus 2z, and we find the values of these values, and we have x is equal to 4xz over y plus z. We have in this question x is equal to 4xz over y plus z, and we find the values of x plus 2y, x minus 2y plus x plus 2z over x minus 2z. We take the given value, which is x is equal to 4xz over y plus z. Are using the component dividendo, we divide x by 2y because 2y is we require for the formula. So divide 2y both sides. We have x over 2y is equal to 4xz over 2y y plus z. Now simplify these values. We get 2 ones are 2, 2. Sorry, here is 4y. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, y cancel with y. After simplifying, we have x over 2y is equal to 2z over y plus z. Now we apply both side the componendo dividendo. By applying componendo dendo property, we have x plus 2y over x minus 2y is equal to 2z plus y plus z and 2z minus y plus z. Now simplifying, we have x plus 2y over x minus 2y is equal to, open the bracket, we get 2z plus y plus z over 2z minus y minus z. Now simplify these values, we get x plus 2y over x minus 2y is equal to, here is 3z plus y over z minus y, and it is equation 1. And for question 2, we require 2z. So the given value we have x is equal to 4 yz over y plus z. We divide 2z both sides. We get x over 2z is equal to 4yz over 2z bracket y plus z. Now simplify these values. We get x over 2z is equal to 2 cancel with 4 2 and z with z. We get 2y over y plus z. Now we apply componendo and dividendo property by applying componendo property. We get x plus 2z over x minus 2z is equal to 2y plus y plus z over 2y minus y plus z. Now we simplify these values. We get x plus 2z over x minus 2z is equal to 2y plus y plus z over 2y minus y minus z. And then we further simplify these values. X plus 2z over x minus 2z is equal to 3y plus z over y minus z, and it is question 2. Now we add question 1 and 2. Add question 1 and 2. We get x plus 2y over x minus 2y plus x plus 2z over x minus 2z is equal to 3z plus y over z minus y plus the second is 3y plus z over y minus z. And now we simplify the right hand side. 3z plus y over, we change them, minus y plus z and plus 3y plus z over y minus z. On the first values we take common y minus, first values denominator, in denominator we take minus, we get minus 3z plus y over y minus z plus 3y plus z over y minus z. In both the fractions we saw the denominators are same, so we simplify the numerators. We get y minus z minus 3z minus y plus 3y plus z. Now simplify these values, we get minus 3z plus z, we get minus 2z minus y plus 3y plus 2y over y minus z. From both values we take common the numerator of the fraction. We have 2 minus z plus y over y minus z, and we write these values in the form y minus z over y minus z. Y minus z cancel with y minus z and we get 2. So the values of x plus 2y over x minus 2y plus x plus 2z over x minus 2z is equal to 2. And it is the answer of question 2 part 1. In the same way we solve the part 2, in which we have m plus 5n over m minus 5n plus m plus 5p over m minus 5p, and we have m is equal to 10 n p over n plus p. In the same way as question 1, we have m is equal to 10 m p over n plus p, and for the property which is componendo dividendo, we have m plus 5 m over 5, and we divide m by 5n divided by 5n. We have m over 5n is equal to 10 np over n plus p and divided by 5n. Now simplify these values, we get m over 5n is equal to 552 and n. We have 2p over n plus p. So we apply the property componendo dividendo by applying componendo dividendo, we get m plus 5n over m minus 5n is equal to 2p plus n plus p and 2p minus n plus p. Further we simplify these values, we get m plus 5n over m minus 5n is equal to 2p plus n plus p over 2p minus n minus p. Further we simplify these two fractions, m plus 5n over m minus 5n is equal to 3p plus n over p minus n, and it is the equation 1. And again we have m is equal to 10 np over n plus p. We divide both sides by 5p. Divided both sides by 5p. We get m over 5p is equal to 10 np over 5p into n plus p. Simplify these values, we get m over 5p is equal to 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, p cancel with p, we have 2n over n plus p. Now we apply the property apply the property componendo dividendo. We get m plus 5p over m minus 5p is equal to 2n plus n plus p over 2n minus n plus p. Now simplify 5p over m minus 5p is equal to 2n plus n plus p, and the second is 2n minus n plus p. Now simplify these values, we get m plus 5p over n minus 5p is equal to 2n plus n plus p, 2n minus n minus p. By simplifying these values, we get 2n plus n is 3n plus p, and the second is n minus n, 1n minus p, and it is the question 2. Now we add question 1 and 2. We get m plus 5n over m minus 5n plus m plus 5p over m minus 5p is equal to 3p plus n over p minus n plus 3n plus p over n minus p. And the second denominator, we change their sign. I may take the common minus, which is 3p plus n over p minus n, and when we take common minus, we have minus multiplied by this plus, we get minus, p is plus and n is minus, and this is p minus n. So take common LCM of both the denominators, which is p minus n, and the numerator is 3p plus n minus 3n minus p. Simplify these values, we get 3p minus p, 2p, 1n plus 1n minus 3n, we get minus 2n, and the numerator of this fraction, we take common 2, and the remaining is p minus n over p minus n. P minus n cancel with p minus n, and we get 2. So in question 2, part 2, the values is 2. Now we start the third part of the question, which is third part is find the value of x minus 6a over x plus 6a minus x plus 6b over x minus 6b, and if x is equal to 12ab over a minus b. In this question we have x is equal to 12ab over a minus b, and the questions we required, which is x minus 6b a, x minus 6a over x plus 6a. For the properties we divide x by 6a divided by 6a both sides. We get x over 6a is equal to 12ab over 6a into a minus b. Now simplify these values, we get x over 6a, 6 cancel with 12, we get 2, a cancel with a, we get 2b over a minus b. And now we apply the componendo dividendo by applying componendo dividendo. We have x plus 6a over x minus 6a is equal to 2b plus a minus b and 2b minus a minus b. Now simplify these values, we get 2b plus a minus b over 2b minus a plus b, and when we simplify these values we get 2b minus b, b plus a, and the other value is 2b plus b is equal to 3b minus a, and it is equal to x plus 6a, x minus 6a, and but we required x minus 6a, so we apply the theorem invertendo by applying property invertendo, we get x minus 6a over x plus 6a is equal to 3b minus a over b plus a, and this is equation 1. And for the next question we have x is equal to 12ab over a minus b. For the property we divided 6b both sides by dividing 6b both sides, we get x over 6b is equal to 12ab over 6b into a minus b. Now simplify these values, we get x over 6b, 6 cancel with 2, b with cancel, we get 2a over a minus b. Now apply the componendo dividendo property by applying componendo dividendo property, we get x plus 6b over x minus 6b is equal to 2a plus a minus b and 2a minus a minus b. Now we simplify the values. We get 2a plus a minus b over 2a minus a plus b, and then simplify these values. We get 2a plus a 3a minus b over 2a minus a, we get a plus b, and this is a question 2. Now we subtracting question 1 from 2, or we can say subtract question 1 and 2. Subtracting equation 1 and 2, x minus 6a over x plus 6a minus x plus 6b over x minus 6b, we get 3b minus a over a plus b minus 3a minus b over a plus b. Now we solve the right hand side, in which a plus b and a plus b, both the fractions have same denominator and the values numerators are subtracted. So a plus b, we get 3b minus a minus 3a plus b. 3b plus b, we get 4b minus a minus 3a, we get 4a over a plus b. Now further we simplify the values. We get 4 the common, b minus a over a plus b, and it is the answer of question 3, part 3, question 2.